Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I wanted to go over some recent purchases that I had made of some new and new to me 49 and Market products. So I wanted to go through those with you. I know a lot of times when you look at it online you can't really tell, what does this look like? And sometimes it's good to see if you just go through the papers and then you can say, oh, I really do want that, or I don't like that, or things like that. I do have two sets of papers. I have rub-ons, I have washi sheets, and I have the new Rust and Revs Collection Bundle to just go over quickly with you. Alright, let's get started. Sorry for the glare. This is actually rub-ons, but they're stitches and stitching. So if you do crafting and you want that kind of look around the edge of your card of stitches, but you don't have a sewing machine, you could definitely use this and you would get that same effect. It's got the zigzags, it's kind of got the doubled back, some knotted things, so this would be a really cool addition for you if you wanted to go for that look. This one is the 49 and Market Krafty Garden 12x12 Solids Collection Pack. I do have the printed one, but sometimes you want a more solid colored paper that would match perfectly with those printed papers. So I love that they have the solids and the printed. So this would match perfectly with your Krafty Garden collection. I'll just look through this quick because it's so beautiful. And I love on the back, always of 49 and Market packaging, you get like a bonus little sheet there. Just some nice grays. And they're interesting textures. I think this one's kind of like a crisscross. This one sort of looks a little like concrete or something. And on the back again, this is like the crisscross. I don't know if you can see it. So the fronts are kind of that marbly, and then the backs are all this kind of crisscrossy pattern. But you could cut one of these as a panel to go behind one of those beautiful Krafty Garden, make with the flowers and the butterflies, and you can make a nice, really nice card with that. I love this color. My camera isn't picking up how blue, like blue tealy this is. Okay, so that is that. Krafty Garden solids. Let me just set this aside. And then this is the 49 and Market Color Swatch Lavender 12x12 collection pack. So this one has all the printed beautiful pictures on it. I have the smaller one. I think it's like a 6x8 pack. But I love purple. Oh my gosh. And I wanted to get this paper so bad. Look at that. This color is so gorgeous, and I love these butterflies with the flowers. Ooh, and on the back you get, it's kind of like a watercolored, and it's printed, it looks like a fabric. Oh, these colors are so gorgeous together. Ugh, you could just cut a panel here and put a sentiment and you'd be good to go. Distressed text and watercolor on the back of that one. This one has beautiful leaves and some butterfly, kind of very lightly, a little bit of lace. And on the back is a ledger with script. Oh, and then this one, it's watercolory, but it has the lace in the corner. Oh, and this back is great. The leaves. A little bit of text in there. Okay, so this is the color swatch Lavender. Alright, this one I especially wanted to go over because I couldn't find online very easily what this paper looked like and what was in the collection kind of close up. But this is a new one. This is the Rust and Revs, and it's kind of car themed, rusty, good masculine paper. And there's a lot in here, but I did get the add-on of the washi sheets. So you just peel these off and you can use them as a border or to decorate your project. And then this one is a whole sheet, so you could cut out what you needed from that. But I thought we could go over what was in this kit, because there's oh my gosh, look at this paper. I love it. So this is the collection bundle, and it comes in this really nice envelope. So in here it has the paper, laser cut elements, the rub-ons, die cuts, and stickers. Oh wow. Put this underneath. Okay, so these are the stickers, and they're they call them epoxy coated, so they're shiny and they're raised up. But you get like lots of little dots, stars, arrows. These look like little buttons. It's so cute to coordinate. Here are the laser cut elements. Oh, I love it. So it has the gears and the jukebox and the chain and license plate. Oh, look at these old school gas pumps. I'll just open this so you can see what it is. So these you just punch out. Oh, it has like old trucks and cars and motorcycles too. That's great. Oh, we have some cactus. A lot of engines and like an actual shop. And some pipes. That's our exhaust system, I guess. So these are cool. And then, so like I was saying before, on the back of the packaging, you get cut aparts. These actually are marked with cut out with a 1-inch circle punch. This one is a 1.5-inch circle punch, so they tell you exactly what you need to cut these out perfectly. So that is awesome. Alright, so these are the rub-ons. I can just show you quick. So here we have some, sorry for the glare, but here we have some roads, maps, compass roses. These would be cute on the border. These little road rub-ons, that's funny. I like that. And it's got the buttons. And then these are some more word type things. So if you're making a masculine card, there's a lot of man words on here. A true gentleman, handsome, classic, charming, things like that. So these are some great collection of ribbons with that. And then these are the die cut elements. I won't take them all out because there's a ton in here, but there's 99. And this is what it looks like. And you have some frames, you have some sentiments, some words, a lot of windows, road signs, things like that. And here is the beautiful paper. I'll just go through this quick so you can see. Okay. So here's the cover. And again, you get this cool thing on the back, and these are jeans, jean pockets, things like that. And then on the branding strip under here, you can cut this out and use it on your project as well. It's not the situation which makes the man, but the man who makes the situation. That's kind of funny. Oh, this is great. I love the combo of the car with the ledger, with the cactus, the little adventure. This would be a great scrapbook page. Similar on the back. I like this one. It has the map around. That's similar as well. This one has the ledger and the shop. Oh, and this one has like a wood background. That's great. Ledger with the gears and the old-fashioned gas station and the shop. Ooh, this is like that corrugated metal. This is great. And you could use this on a distressed project also. That would be amazing. Oh, this background is fabulous with all these route signs. All different. You could cut these into strips. You could even cut them up and just kind of put them all over the place. Use it as a background. Ooh, I love this one with the maps. Very nice. Here's one with car parts. That would make a great accent or a background. Oh, and here's just some more neutral if you're looking for, you know, to layer these up with the background, or you could put the die cuts on here. Oh, this is a great plaid. Oh, and then this one is just the ledger, and on all of the bottoms they all have the branding strip, and you can cut these off and add them to your projects. Oh, I love this page. Oh my goodness. This is fabulous. And this paper is printed, this particular page is printed in such a way that it looks really 3D. I don't know if you can see that on there, but that looks amazing. Now I have some more denim on the back. This one is a cool zigzag. And some weathered metal or building. And then you have cut aparts. These are really cute. And then here's another one of those kind of pages. That's great. Okay. So that is the end of the Rust and Revs collection. Hopefully that helps you out if you're trying to figure out if you want to buy it or not and you can't really see well online, if you like the pages or if they'd be good for you. So hopefully that helps. I will link everything that I showed today in the description box, and they are affiliate links, and which that means that if you click on them and end up making a purchase, I would earn a small commission from that, and that really helps out me and my channel, and I really appreciate you shopping through my links. Anyway, I hope that you have a lovely day. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and until next time, take care.